Welcome to Judy Plus. If you're interested in fascinating scientific discoveries, you've come to the right place. Right now, I upload one video each week. If I have more time in the future, I'll upload more. Okay, let's get into today's topic. Being gay is not a human's exclusive nature. I've noticed that plenty of people believe that gay people are sick, and they don't want LGBTQ people to exist. In fact, being gay is not a choice, and it can't be taught. It's not even an exclusive nature of human beings. There are gay animals too. According to some scientific researches, studies, and discoveries, there are gay animals in more than 1,500 species, like chimpanzees, monkeys, snakes, dolphins, butterflies, and so forth. Same-sex behavior is quite common among non-human animals, more common than scientists used to think. Actually, scientists have long known that gays exist in animals' world. Their same-sex behavior had been documented as early as the 1700s. But because of human culture, those scientists didn't speak it out loudly. Thanks to a cultural shift towards inclusivity over the several past decades, scientists have begun to talk about their discoveries. In 1906, naturalist Edmund Selous found a group of male shorebirds in the Netherlands. He found that those birds often mistook one another for the female, and in 1986, scientist W.J. Tennant saw 4 male blue butterflies fighting for the attention of another male in Morocco. And in the late 1980s, Professor Jenny Mann observed 2 young dolphins whose mothers had died and they became good friends. She found that if they traveled away from each other when they met again, they would fight and rob each other, and they would also engage in sexual mounting behavior. See, there are so many gay animals in the world, which means being gay can't be taught. Being gay is just in human nature, though it's not a human's exclusive nature. And if we look back at human history, we can find that there were many famous gay couples in ancient times. So I don't think that gay people are sick. And I believe that every one of us, including gay people, should be treated equally and fairly. Okay, my friends, in case you don't know me yet, I'm Judy Fay London, a fan of Jack London. I'm a published writer who writes fiction and nonfiction novels and short stories. You're very welcome to visit my website, judyfaylondon.com, or Amazon to read my poems and my short stories. The last one, Mr. Rat, Candy the Dog, and so on, and my latest non-fiction book, Living with the Walking Dead, a roadmap for achieving your own success. I hope to see you there, and I thank you so much for your kind support, and thank you very much for subscribing to my YouTube channels, Judy Fay London and Judy Plus. Judy Fay London is a comprehensive channel, while Judy Plus is a channel that talks about interesting scientific discoveries. And my friends, If you're interested in knowing the details about this topic, please check the related articles in the description box. Thank you for listening, subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. I wish you nothing but success and happiness. Let's talk next time. Bye.